Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. So in today's Illustrator tutorial, we'd like to share with you how you can wrap text within a shape using Illustrator. It's a great simple technique which creates a great effect once finished. So we want to start off by just creating some shapes. So we're going to select the ellipse tool and we're just going to draw out a circle in the middle of our canvas. We're then going to draw out a rectangle on our canvas. We're going to select the direction tool and we're just going to drag in these anchor points a little bit, just create a unique shape. And there you go. And then what you want to next do is write out our text that we want to be added to our shape. So we're just going to use nerds as the example. And then we want to ensure that we select Object, Expand, select OK. And then we're going to select Edit Copy, then Edit Paste on our Nerds layer, and we're just going to create an additional layer to go underneath our second shape. And then what you want to do is drag the text into the shape, and then we want to select the shape and we want to ensure that that's brought to the front. So Objects Arrange, bring to front. And then we're going to highlight both layers and select Object, Envelope Distort, and select Make with Top Object. And there you go, it's created this really unique, cool effect of the text within the shape, and we can apply this technique to any shape of our liking. We can change the font to be any font. So let's try it out again with this shape that we created previously. So same principle, drag the text on top. We want to ensure that the shape layer is at the forefront, so Arrange, bring to front. Select both layers once again. Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Objects, and there you go, we've created a really cool, unique text effect from that shape again. This is a really great technique and there's endless possibilities based on what shape you can create. Hope this is a useful tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Illustrator.